Hello guys, welcome to my channel how to fix Telegram app was. Unable to play this video, try to play it with external player. This is the basic step by step, follow the steps. First step, you are using for the mobile user only. You will go to the clear cache and clear data in Telegram, okay? But I am not, I'm using for the Windows. I will click to the settings. Go to the apps, you will click to the advanced apps, you will scroll down for then Telegram, but it is I'm not showing for the advanced options. You will click to the example to click to the advanced option, you will scroll down for then click to the repair and reset, okay? But your Windows is not showing only, you will go to then uninstall to reinstall. But few minutes wait for the steps. Go back for you will get to open the Telegram or you will download to the Microsoft Store. You will click to the open, check your update. Okay, you are using for the mobile only. You will go to the Play Store, check your updates. You will click to the updates, but it is not showing for the update only. You will click to the cancel. You will click to the I am already for uninstall to reinstall the Telegram. Click to the start. You will see then, but not login only. You will click to the see the settings. You will select it to the update automatically. You will click to the select install the beta version. Automatically is update automatically. Okay, you will click to then finish it to you will click to the cancel. You will click to the Windows icon. You will reset your PC or laptop. But you are using for the mobile, you will click to then reboot your mobile. This is the steps for not working only. You will go to the Telegram uninstall to reinstall. This is the problem solved. Thank you for watching.